Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you the layout capture mode on your Instagram story like this. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my giveaway where I'm giving away £10 Amazon gift card vouchers to random subscribers every week. The rule is simple, you just need to subscribe and comment on my latest video for this week. Winners will be announced on Sunday 7th March 2021. So open up your Instagram app. Now go to your Instagram story. On your Instagram story, you'll notice a new layout capture mode option. Tap on it. This capture mode allows you to take or upload photos in a collage manner. Once you tap on it, you'll notice your screen divided into 4 sections. By default, 2x2 is selected. Just below the layout mode, tap on change grid and you'll see more layout options. Once you're done selecting your grid, start to take your photos. You can zoom in or zoom out to each box to have a different composition. If you don't like the photo, you can tap on it to delete it and retake or upload a new one. And once you're done, you can then post it to your story. And there you go. If you love your collages, you love the new Instagram layout mode for stories. And that's it guys. Like, share and subscribe.